Alright, so today I'm putting a windshield wiper fluid system in. I kind of tested it out a little bit. And in order to do that, normally everybody's been taking these and mounting them all down in this hole down here. And in order to do that, I've got to take this shock off. So I have to take the tire off. Now I'm trying to loosen the shock, get it out. Stick that in there and tie wrap it, bolt it somehow or another, run the wires in to my little control board in there, and then I can operate it from a keypad and spray some water up there. So that's what I'm working on today. Oh, I hit a snag. My reservoirs, the piggybacks on my shocks are pointed in. Most models are pointed in, but then you have some that has some other type. But I have seen guys take them and flip them around where the reservoir's out here, but then they have to cut out this section here for the flex so the reservoir doesn't smack the plastic. So with mine being on the inside, my jug don't fit in there. Yeah, it doesn't fit in there. It's supposed to fit right in here where everybody else has been mounting them, or on the front, but it's not going to fit, as you see, because it's hitting the reservoir. So I'm gonna have to scratch my head on this one a little bit. Okay, so I managed to squish it down in there, and I can't get a mounting deal on it because there's a mounting bracket on the back, but it's not going to reach anything. So yes, I used the tie wrap and tie wrapped it down in there. Don't think it's going to, I mean, little vibrations here and there, but it ain't like it's going to flip and go anywhere. It's just a water jug, and it's going to ride on the it's going to ride on the reservoirs a little bit, which is fine. I think, I don't know, but I'm getting ready to stick the other shock up there and stick a bolt in it, see how it comes around. And I think I'm gonna be able to stick my hand in here and pop that cap off to fill it up with water with a water hose when I need to, or a water bottle or something like that. But yeah, that's I mean, not really much of a choice, and I mean, it's not critical. It's just a water jug, so I think it's gonna be okay. Let's see. All right, so I got the other shock in here. I ain't bolted in or anything, but it looks like it's gonna be okay. It's kind of hard to see, but I think it's gonna be all right. So what I'm gonna do now is remove the shock. I'm gonna go ahead and run my wires where I want to run my wires, figure out my hose deal. I'm out my two nozzles right here. Actually what I've done, the nozzles that come with the kit, they don't lean back and bevel enough so it can angle and spray up on the windshield. So what I've done, I went to Advanced AutoZone and bought some of these. So if you see, it's actually angled, so it does spray up on the windshield versus, let me see if I can get this out without pulling parts all over the floor and getting them in hiding spots on this Outlander here. Okay, you see it does have two nozzles, but if you notice, it's just flat. It doesn't angle up much at all. And with it being down below the windshield, let me show you. In case somebody else buys the kit and think you're going to be okay just by installing them. It's a lot smaller too. But if you notice, you're way down here. So if you don't have any angle to get it up there, you're pretty much just going to be spraying right in here. So that's why I got this. And if you see, yeah, this is angled. So yeah, it'll get on up there. Yep. All right, so now let me, like I said, I'm gonna move the shock, figure out my wiring, get it in. Hopefully it's enough to reach there. I ain't got to splice into it to reach my little controller back there. And figure out the water hose, get my holes drilled in here to put my nozzles on, put the T in and all that. And I'll be back in just a little bit. All right, so in order to get my wiring deal, I had to, damn, tongue twisted. In order to get my wiring deal done, I had to remove the passenger seat so I can remove these panels and run my wire down this chase and back up to my little control board. I've only got one circuit left, so that's what it's going to be, and I'll be able to hit the button on my pad over there to operate that. But now this also tells me how good I've washed out my machines. You know, still got Busco sand and everything else in here from a while back, but you know, it gets in the crevices and all that good stuff and everything. And DS18 4s, DS18 10s, that's my sub boxes, Scar 6.5s. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to start popping out some little rivets there. Get this out of my way so I can try to chase my wires from back up onto here and routing. So, yes sir, here we go. Okay, so I got wired up. I'm hooking the hose up now. Now I get ready to drill some holes for the nozzles to place here. Let's see, this is how I'm gonna operate it. Basically, I got my control panel on here. Got to find a sticker that will cover that, but this is it. Just like that. So like I said, now I'm gonna go get my drill bit so I can mount these nozzles up here. I believe I can get my finger in there to tighten the nut up and all that, so I don't have to try to remove all that, because I think this attaches to this and you got to remove. I'll get it somehow or another. I'll get it. I'll be back. Okay, so I got these things installed here. I had to modify some stuff and cram up on there to get that to raise up, because the things are about that long and it was bobbing out pinching the hose, so hopefully that works out okay. I still got to get my my little Sirius radio magnet thing back up there too. But yeah, it worked. You see, I've been playing with it, trying to get them aimed right, because there's some little adjustments on here. You can point them down, side to side, turn on, whatever how you want them. So I think I got them about right now. And like I said, I'm gonna use this button right here. And there we go. Woo. Yep, she sprays too. Oh yeah. Yep. All right. So that's done. Now I just need to put my shop back on and close it all up, and we're good to go. And it's not too bad to get to. I could be able to reach right down here, fill it up with a funnel and water bottle. I just did it just a few minutes ago. So yeah, looks like that's that project is complete.